So you can see I've laid this Prodex 4 all throughout my attic. I had blown in, but it was easy to cut to length, unroll it. You can see over there where I have my ventilation still working, which comes up to the ridge fence. I don't have that insulated, but I put an additional R17 by adding the Prodex 4, which is 17 millimeter, or R17. And so then I painted where my boards are that I could walk on it, and I've got the whole attic and my whole garage under insulation now. That it used to just be the blown-in type. The house is, let's see, almost 50 years old, so made a big improvement on the heating and air conditioning costs. So I'm thankful to Prodex for having this product, and it was pretty easy to, once you figured out their website, how to get it ordered, and got it delivered right to my door. Thank you.